Hello, everyone. My name is Todd Kepler, and I will be the presenter for Entrepreneurship 325 Spring 2024 semester with Dr. Lane Perry. I'm excited to share with you the investment opportunity for Clean Team, the finest representation of clean. The topics we will cover today is the management and organization plan, along with the social responsibility and sustainability plan. Thank you for being with us. Let me take a few minutes to introduce the founding members. William Lombard is our CEO. He is an entrepreneurial minded professional with extensive experience in production planning and chemical operations, demonstrating a strong commitment to efficiency, innovation, and continuous improvement. Kessling Smith is our CFO. Kessling Smith is a dynamic entrepreneur on the rise, excelling in design services, construction management, and project management with a strong background in drafting and innovation leadership. Todd Kepler. Todd is the COO, and Todd is a dynamic and results-oriented entrepreneur with a passion for people development and a proven track record in business analytics and data architecture, consistently driving process improvements and implementing innovative strategies. Ty Dixon is our Chief Marketing Officer. Tyler Dixon is a seasoned hotel renovator, having overseen the repair, modernization, and restoration of multiple five-star properties. He started in CCTV, updating for malls and gas stations. He's overseen over 600 sales and installations across the eastern seaboard. So we have a vast variety of experience with this team. Let's talk through the key positions for the company. Owner-operators will be responsible for overall management, customer relations, and performing pressure washing services. We'll have internal marketing and sales representative to attract new customers and maintain relationships with existing clients. We'll have an administrative assistant to handle scheduling, invoicing, and other administrative tasks. We'll have technicians to perform the pressure washing services, including cleaning the exterior surfaces of buildings, driveways, decks, that kind of thing. Equipment maintenance technician to ensure all pressure washing equipment is properly maintained and in good working order. A customer service representative to handle customer inquiries, provide quotes, ensure customer satisfaction, and a safety officer to ensure that all safety protocols are followed during pressure washing operations. We'll have an accountant or a bookkeeper to manage finances, including payroll, taxes, and financial reporting. Let's talk about a board of directors. 3 to 5 members. This will allow for more effective communication and decision making. Really, the key is industry expertise, at least one board member with experience in pressure washing or cleaning services industry, that they can provide valuable insights into market trends, best practices, and regulatory compliance. Some experience with business growth. A member with experience in growing small business can offer guidance on scaling operations, developing strategic partnerships, and exploring new market opportunities. The financial acumen is obviously key here. A board member with strong financial background can assist with financial planning, budgeting, and investment strategies. Marketing and sales. Someone with expertise in marketing and sales, especially in the business to consumer sector, can help develop strategies to attract and retain customers. But the most important thing here is alignment with business values. Board members should align with the core values and mission of Clean Team. They should be committed to the success of Clean Team and always act in its best interest. Let's talk about the external advisory needs. Industry expertise, someone with experience in pressure washing services, broader cleaning services, can help with market trends, best practices, and regulatory considerations. Marketing and sales, professional with strong background, very similar to the board, especially in business to consumer sector, help with strategies to attract and retain customers. Financial management, expert in finance and accounting who can provide guidance on budgeting, financial planning, managing cash flow. Operations and logistics, an individual experienced in managing operations, supply chain, and logistics. It's going to be crucial for a service-based business like Clean Team. Technology and innovation, someone who can provide insights into the latest technology and innovations that could provide efficiencies and allow us to deliver services more efficiently for Clean Team. External consultants, a marketing consultant. This would specialize in creating marketing strategies, help on branding, online marketing, advertising, promotional products, and also specifically tailored to the pressure washing industry. Financial consultants, again, budgeting, financial planning, cash flow management, help on pricing strategies, cost control, funding opportunities as well. Legal consultant or an attorney can help navigate any type of legal aspects for running the business, but also getting the proper licenses and permits and drafting contracts. Technology consultant, I think, is going to be key going into where we are with technology in the future here. It can help on the selection, implementation of different technology, help us with a CRM system, scheduling software, payment processing tools, quite a few ways that technology consultant can help. Environmental consultant, help specifically with eco-friendly cleaning solutions, waste management, and complying with regulations. And then, of course, a safety consultant to help with safety protocols, training properly, ensure the well-being of team members, and can also help with compliance with occupational and safety regulations. All right, let's talk about the management structure. As CEO, William Lembar is at the top of the executive responsibility for making overarching corporate decisions, managing the overall operations, acting as the main point of communication between the board of directors and corporate operations. Kessling Smith will report directly into William Lombard as the CEO, and acting as a CFO will oversee the financial actions of the company. The accountant and bookkeeper would report directly to the CFO, ensuring financial operations like payroll, taxes, financial reporting are managed effectively. The administrative assistant would also report into the CFO and handles basic office management tasks and supports the executive team would report again to Kessling. Todd Kepler would serve as the Chief Operating Officer responsible for the day-to-day administrative and operational functions of the company. Under the COO supervision will be the technicians, which is the workforce performing the work out there doing the pressure washing services. Additionally, the equipment's maintenance technician responsible for the upkeep of pressure washing equipment would also report into the COO. The safety officer tasked with enforcing safety protocols likewise will fall under the operational wing of the COO. Tyler Dixon, the Chief Marketing Officer, will head the marketing department and in charge of developing, implementing, and executing strategic marketing to attract new customers and retain our current ones. The marketing sales representative who develops sales strategies, maintains customer relationships, will report directly to the Chief Marketing Officer. Similarly, the Chief Customer Service Rep, not the Chief Rep, but the Customer Service Rep, who manages customer inquiries and ensures customer satisfaction, falls under the marketing umbrella and will report to the Chief Marketing Officer as well. This structure kind of ensures that every aspect of the business is given specific focus and will report up directly to an executive team member, which I think will help with the overall success of Clean Team. Management style, corporate culture. So I don't want to go through every detail here, but we'll just touch a couple points. Open communication, personality complementary. That's just talking about diverse personalities working together, problem solving together. Teamwork, we want to promote team building, cross-functional projects, always open to feedback, make sure that we have unity and cooperation amongst our teams. Company policies, comprehensive policies on employment aspects communicated via handbook and training. So we want to formalize that process, make sure that our team members have a consistent message. Communication, regular meetings, regular check-ins, newsletters to keep employees informed and engaged. Can have those in the break rooms and the restrooms, but allows the team members to understand what's going on in case they may have missed a couple of conversations. Employee recognition combines with financial rewards and non-monetary gestures to appreciate and motivate. So it's having that pump up session during the regular check-ins. Employee input. We want to make sure that we are taking ideas and suggestions from the team members to help them continue to contribute to the company development. And fairness and policies, we always want to make sure that merit-based recognition is fair and impartial in the workplace. Triple bottom line approach. In the people space, it's about employee welfare here and community engagement. We want to make sure that our employees are treated fairly, given proper wages, and we have a respectful and make sure that the employees know that they're our greatest asset. And community engagement is about supporting the community, doing events, and make sure that we foster a positive relationship. For the planet, it's environmental stewardship. We want to have sustainable practices and environmental awareness. And for profit, it's about economic viability. We want to make sure that we have ethical business practices, but we also want to make sure that we're investing in growth. Let's talk about the company philosophy and culture. The Clean Team philosophy has several points here: responsibility, fairness and honesty, considerate decision making, service excellence, profitability for sustainability, positive community contribution, respect in the workplace, and open and active listening. And our culture is based on a commitment to excellence, teamwork and initiative, respect and support, positive and inclusive workplace. Community involvement activities, we'll touch on several different spaces, but cleanup projects, educational programs, sponsor local events, conservation efforts, volunteer work, help local businesses with collaboration efforts, and also support local government initiatives. Go to the ribbon cutting ceremonies, go to the Chamber of Commerce meetings, and make sure to also attend the regular board meetings. Sustainability practices, we want to make sure that we are focused on eco-friendly cleaning solutions, energy efficient, water conservation, waste reduction, sustainable transportation, environmental education and training, community outreach, continuous improvement, and sustainability reporting. Corporate citizenship and ethics is taking it to the next level with Clean Team. We obviously want to obey the laws, but we want to treat our employees fair with respect, deal honestly with our customers and suppliers, honesty in advertising and marketing, considering the impact on the community, and acting with integrity. Our ethics, we want to stay focused in spaces where we are doing gifts to and from, that they aren't done in a bribery type fashion. We want to make sure that any special favors, recreational outings, meals, we have ethics around the way that we deal in those spaces. We want to make sure that we have visibility into the conflicts between laws in different countries and different counties as we continue to expand. Do we expect to be in other countries? We're not sure. Maybe at some time we will, but as we consider to want to work in different countries, even if it's with a nonprofit organization, we need to understand what those laws are. We want to make sure that we're working with suppliers based on their ethics as well. We want to ensure subcontractors act ethically. So as we are working with other companies, we want to make sure that they would treat the customer the same way that we would. We don't want to use company property in an unrealistic manner. We want to make sure that we are always representing the company professionally. And when it comes to expense accounts, we want to make sure that we have policies around our expenses and how they're managed. Here's our cultural statement. I'm not going to read this verbatim, but it's important for Clean Team to make sure that we have a culture that touches on all of the things that we have talked about today. It's about having sustainability, having that proper engagement with not only employees, but with our colleagues and the people that we collaborate with in the community in general. We want to nurture a world that we all want to be proud and happy to live in the future, and we want to make sure that we're focused on clean, green, and prosperous future. And Clean Team is the finest representation of clean, so it's important to us to stay focused in these spaces. So some of our sustainability goals and objectives: minimize water use, eco-friendly cleaning products, reduce carbon footprint, waste reduction, continue to have employee engagement opportunities and community involvement, transparency and accountability in everything that we do, proactive environmental stewardship as well. In closing, I would like to thank everyone again for their time and consideration of investing in Clean Team. As we learned from the management and organization plan with the social responsibility and sustainability plan, Clean Team is well positioned to be the finest representation of clean.